recording it?
Yeah.
Little see?
Little manok. May manok naman dyan si Ate Bell.
Oh, he's mine?
Yeah, I'm gonna do this.
Wait.
Are you good or what?
Are you good? Can you see your cards?
Okay.
You wanna switch?
No, go.
Combine it now.
Go.
Combine.
Slow for you.
Go.
I'm really slow for you.
Look. Hey, you can't get that, huh?
I know, you can't get it. Joseph, you can't get this.
I didn't get anything from there.
Sorry, Jared.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Shit.
Everything up. Wait, dude. What the heck? Wait.
As long as you don't drink.
Damn, how many have you taken so far?
I love my cousins getting drunk.
Huh? You know?
I love them to
Two or
get
three.
drunk. You don't know? Okay, I'll count it for you.
I got like two.
No.
No.
You got
I got three.
6 already. You got 6. The first shots that you got 6 already.
I got 3.
You got 6. You know why? 6 like this. 6.
Yeah, you got 6 of them like this.
Like this.
No, I would be.
Hey,
Jason. Jason's here.
okay, man. We're just cousins right here.
Alvin, you're in, Alvin?
Nobody's gonna mess around with you. Alright.
Don't worry.
Yeah, just finish that up, man. Join us.
We got 2 more.
Just join us.
Alright, John. Oh, yeah, new crew.
Show him.
Hey, I got you. Don't worry. Yeah, CPR. I got you. Don't worry, man. I got you. Hey,
Experience,
don't
man.
worry. We got a nurse over here.
I'll be here.
I'll be. Hey, no, don't worry. We got a nurse right here. You can
It's a one-time experience, man. It's a one-time experience.
Hey, if you're gonna throw up. I'm ready. Okay, just letting you know, alright? If you're gonna throw up, just put it right here. Don't listen. He's a nurse. He's a nurse. Show my mom.
How many is this?
He's a nurse. He can do it.
May lasing katak dito mo.
Okay,
You're under
Gerald.
my control.
Wait, what she said? Wait, what she said? Wait, what she said?
Romy, hindi ko pa nakuha, Romy.
Alright, let's go. Hey, where's the rest of the girls? Add more to the Pepsi? Jason, come here. Yeah.
Okay.
One more.
Hey, don't make noise.
Kenny na ako. Kenny! Alam mo salitay.
Ala, ay may pamanapot yung regalo.
Tago mo. Maka-dress siya kay Kenny mo. Kenny mo. Kenny makaya.
Be a girl.
Kaya pa dala.
Oo, may dress.
Okay, be a woman then.
14 days. 14 days pa yun.
Come on. Jason too. Jason.
Ang wala pang mananarong sana.
What's up?
What are you doing right now? Hey,
Hello, drunk right now.
hey, the bartender.
I'm as drunk as I was last time.
After that, we're gonna.
Hey!
The bartender.
What? I show the bartender.
After
This
that, we're done.
is our bartender.
I'm the one who got him fucked.
Hell yeah.
And JR.
I'm drunk. Okay. I'm gonna yuka like I mentioned I did last time.
70 shows.
I'm gonna yuka.
Yuka is stupid.
Watch me, fool.
You're almost done.
Heck yeah. Put this
After
on
that,
YouTube.
no more, okay?
No!
No, after that, no more.
No!
No, we're
Okay,
gonna
going.
continue tomorrow.
No.
No,
No.
no.
Keep
After that,
going.
no more.
Keep going. I'm
No,
drunk.
keep going, go going.
Don't listen to this guy.
No, after that, no more. That's it. Okay?
Why is it
That's
Zoom,
it.
fool?
That's it. After that, that's it. Tomorrow, okay?
Why is it Zoom? Hold on.
Huh?
I'm drunk.
Hey, face it this way.
Here.
After that, no more, okay?
I got your
Sit
ass.
already or what? You're almost done.
Go to
What?
Got you.
Alright. We're drunk. Took like 8 shots. Vodka.
8 shots only.
Are you okay?
40%, man.
I'm good. Going to bread.
Can't walk straight. I'm about to throw up after like 3 shots. Watch.
Tomorrow.
It's gonna go on YouTube. Okay, I can see clearly now.
I can see clearly.
Clean now. The rain is gone. Alvin, how many shots did you take?
A lot.
8 now?
That's 8?
Shut up to 8, dog.
Alvin, are you drunk?
Hey, no, hey, you gotta witness.
I'm
You got
buzzed.
8 already.
Alvin, Alvin, are you drunk? Are you buzzed or drunk?
I'm buzzed.
Dude, I'm drunk.
Hey, ask me.
I'm drunk.
Ask me.
Okay.
How
How about you? How about you? Are you drunk or buzzed?
Good, boo.
You good? How about you? You didn't even drink.
You guys suck on the game, that's why.
Oh yeah?
I drank like 8 times. Took like 8 shots of vodka.
I know, Nico, stop
I
that.
feel it already.
Knock that down.
My cousin JR, he's knocked out already.
Knock it out.
I can handle it. I can handle like 4 or 5 more shots. No, it's your turn. You take it.
No, 1 minute.
5 shots.
No, you do it
I'm just
there.
gonna go. Then I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna record it when I throw up. I'm telling my cousins to record when I throw up. Okay? Alright, peace.
Go.
Go, go, chug, 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 go, 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 yeah. Chaser, 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 chaser. Yeah. Say something. Say what's up. How many you got?
A lot.
A lot? How many is a lot? More than 5?
I don't know. I can't
I got 8. I got 8.
Alvin, can you take a picture?
Where's Damn, I wanna go video JR, man. Where's JR?
That's all. Okay? Take a picture of me.
Take a picture of you?
Yeah.
I can take a picture of you with this camera.
Okay, then, go.
Alright, hold on.
How do you
Alright, later.